We live in a place with such a rich history, and Ray Midgett, a local historian, will really illuminate that history in a class called Pamlico's Past. It has that name because Washington, Bath, and all of Beaufort County depend on the Pamlico River for its existence and the lively culture that we embrace today. Part of the class is a walking tour where we go around Washington and connect historical facts to places and interesting spots. It's a great way to improve your appreciation for the wonderful place where we live. We have 3 classes on our campus in spring semester designed to help folks become better users of current technology. Think about it. Your kids or grandkids are excellent at this stuff, and sometimes you and I struggle to make that iPad do what we want it to, or use our computer in the most efficient way. So Chantel Fortescue is going to lead us to embrace the technology that's given to us and make it work best for us.